So in this lesson we're going to discuss expanding and multiplying two single brackets. In the previous video we've discussed one bracket. Okay, now expand and simplify and collect all of these expressions, and expand and simplify mean the same thing, and you collect like terms. If you're not familiar with this, you should watch the video before this. Okay, the first example, 2 times a, so this is 2 times a, which is 2a, and 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah, then 5 times a is 5a, and 5 times 2 is 10. Then you collect the like terms, you collect all the a's, so this will be 7a, 2 plus 5 is 7a, then 8 plus 10 is 18. So you collect the a's and the numbers. Again, you have this example, 4 times 5a plus 3. 4 times 5a is 20a, 4 times 3 is 12. Now this you do 2 times 5a, which is 10a, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now you collect all the a's. 20 plus 10a is 30a, and 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, again, 5 times 3a is 15a, 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. 2 times 5a is 10a, 2 times minus 1, a plus times a minus is a negative, so it will be minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, now I have minus 5 and minus 2. Minus 5 and minus 2 is minus 17. Okay, if we have a number line, we have 0 here, and you, for example, say you start at minus 15 here, then you take away another 2, so 1, 2, that gives you minus 17. Another way to think of it is, if you owe someone £15, yeah, so you're minus 15 down, then if you owe somebody else another £2, then the total amount that you owe is 15 plus 2, which is minus 17. Okay, 5 times 3a plus 3, so 5 times 3a is 15a, 5 times 3 is 15, minus 2 times 7a, so this will be minus 14a, and minus 2 times minus 1, we have 2 negatives, so it'll be plus 2. So minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. So then you have all these terms. So you add all the a's. 15a minus 14a is just a, 1a. And 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay. 2 into 3x plus 4. 2 times 3x is 6x. Okay. 2 times 4 is 8. So now we have x's. Okay, then 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times 3 is 15. Then you add all the x's. 6 plus 10x is 16x. 8 plus 15 is 23. 3x plus 5. 3x is equal to 3 times x, and 3 times 5 is 15. Minus 2 times x is going to just be minus 2x, and minus 2 times plus 2 is going to be minus 4. The signs are different. Minus 2 times plus 2 is going to be minus 4. Then you add all, collect like terms. So that will be 3x minus 2x is going to be x. 15 minus 4 is going to be 11. Now 5x plus 4. 5 into 5 into x plus 4. So 5 times x is going to be 5x. 5 times 4 is 20. Minus 2 times x is going to be minus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 3 is going to be minus 6. Then you collect the like terms. So this is going to be 5x minus 2x is 3x. And 20 minus 6 is 14. Now I have this 2 into 3x plus 6. So that's 2 times 3x, which is going to give me 6x, and 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, then it's minus 3 times x, which is just going to be minus 3x, and minus 3 times plus 5 is going to be minus 15. So minus 6 take away 3x is just 3x. 12 minus 15 is going to be minus 3. Now we've minus 15 plus 12. So if this is 0, this is a number line, and we start at minus 15 on the left, right? So we go left. Now if it's, then we add 12, so that means we go in the opposite direction forward, this direction, 12 steps. If we do that, we will end up at minus 3. Okay, so minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. Okay, now the last one, 4 times 2x plus 2, so that's going to be 8x plus 8, and this we have a negative outside the bracket. What this does, it reverses all the signs inside the bracket. Okay, so minus 4 times x, so it'll be minus 4x. Okay, minus 2 times minus 4 times minus 2, signs are the same, so it'll be plus 8. It'll be plus 8. Then you add all these, so 8x minus 4x, take away 4x is 4x. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, now common errors student make is, will be explained here. Now 2 into x plus 4 is actually 2 times x, yeah? So this 2 times the x, so it's 2x, then the 2 times the 4, which is 8, so it's 2x plus 8. What students sometimes do is they do the 2 times x, which gives 2x, then they just leave the 4, so this is wrong. Or they do the 2x, which is 2x, then they just add 2 plus 4, giving 6, which is also wrong. So what you do, this term outside, this number outside, multiplies everything inside the bracket. So 2 times x, 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, now if we have a negative outside the bracket, like in this situation, what this means is that there is actually an invisible 1 in front of the bracket. So this is actually minus 1. Now this minus 1 outside the bracket multiplies everything inside the bracket, and because this and this negative will reverse all the signs inside the bracket, so this will become minus 2x and this will become minus 2. So there is, if you just see a negative outside, there is actually an invisible 1 outside.